Load your family into the 2020 Toyota 4Runner. It features an automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.